Hey guys, back with y'all with Good Jobs of course with the look at the 2024 Corsair. This is the EV for Lincoln. And this beautiful white color y'all guys see. This is where you charge the car up at right here guys. This one is an EV. Half EV and half gas, y'all guys can see. This one is a little bit over $56,195. Super nice car, guys. Let me show y'all guys in the inside. Of course, it says Lincoln on the side of the door. And this beautiful, beautiful red trio, guys. Super nice. Love it, the trio in this thing. Love the whole design of this car in the inside with your fully touchscreen Apple CarPlay monitor right here. Love the way it say Lincoln right here. This is where your charger port and your USB cord go. Your different drive modes right here. Super nice car. Back seat of this car, super roomy. Back seat can seat up to 3 people. This SUV can seat up to 5 people comfortably. Super clean setup, guys. Y'all see the front. Back seat have plenty of leg room. Love the way this thing look, guys. Look amazing. Thanks again, guys, for watching my channel. And stay tuned for more car videos.